So today we will discuss about the alphabets in German. So basically in English we have 26 alphabet, but in German 26 plus 4 additional alphabet. So I will discuss all the alphabets in details. First one is A in English, and in German we can say A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, 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 V, 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 X, X, like X, it's called IRKS, like IR S. So X, X, Y, that's called Epsilon, Epsilon. So epsilon, 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 Z, T, and then Z. So Z, Z, Z. So all these 26 alphabet. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. So this is additional alphabet. A with two dot, it's called A with umlaut. So A mit umlaut, and this pronunciation A. O mit umlaut, so yo. U mit umlaut, so you. And beta, so beta in German S T Z, so S T Z, so HZ, HZ. Beta, beta we call HZ. So A with umlaut A, O with umlaut yo, U with umlaut U, and beta HZ. So like this two dot we call umlaut in German, and umlaut basically we can put on A, O, and U, either in small as well as in capital letter. So for example here A with umlaut, so it call A, and which is pronounced like A mit umlaut, A mit umlaut, so A with umlaut. For example FL, FL, so apples. O mit umlaut, so which is called yo, yo. O mit umlaut, O mit umlaut, O with umlaut. For example, water, water, water. So water, it's called words like O with double point. So yo, so water. U mit umlaut, so you. U mit umlaut, U with umlaut. So it's, for example, brooder, 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 brothers. And Asset. Like double S is also equal to beta. For example, vision. Vision. Vision means to know. And also additional words for the reading purpose. For example, EI, it means I. EI, it means I. Like lidar. Lidar. Lidar means unfortunately. IE means E. For example, the, the. It means the. Like the das. We use die in English die, but in German the. EU, oye, oye. For example, NEU means N, oye. Noe, noe, noe means new. AU with umlaut, oi, oi. For example, Gebäude, Gebäude. Gebäude means buildings. AU means ow, ow, ow. For example, aus, it means out. So now we will take few example for the all the alphabet. For example, we will start from the A, their apple, their apple means one apple, and if we have more than one apple, it means it plural, so we use FL, FL. So here, like in one apple, their apple, and more than one apple, the apple. So in plural form, we always use the article. Normally, for the apple, we have a their article, but in case plural, so we use the apple. B, the banana, the banana. But in plural, the bananan, the bananan. We have the article for the banana, and also we use the always in a plural. So the bananan. Like here en at the end of the banana, so in plural we use en. Say their computer, their computer, and in plural the computer, it means computer. They, the drucker, the drucker, the druckers, the drucker. A, the Erdbeer, it means strawberry, and more than one strawberry, the Erdbeeren, the Erdbeeren. F, F, like their fish, the fisher, the fisher, the fish. G, the guitar, the guitar, the guitar, the guitar, the guitar. H, das Hobby, the hobbies, the hobbies. E, das image, das image, the images, the images. Yacht, the yak, the yakan, the yak, the yak. Kha, the kartoffel, the kartoffel, the kartoffel, the kartoffel. L, the lamp, the lamp, the lampen. M, the mango, the mangoes, the mango, the mango. And their name, the naman, their name, the naman. Like nam means your surname, and phonam means your name. O, the orange, the orangan, the orang. the orangan. P, the paprika, the paprikas, the paprika, the paprika. Q, the quadrat, the quadrat, the quadrat, the quadrat, like one square and more than one square, then the quadrat. R, the rock, the rock, the rock. S, the chocolate, the chocolate, the chocoladen, the chocolate, the chocoladen. T, the tomato, the tomaton, the tomat, the tomaton, the tomat, the tomaton. U, the Umkleid cabin, the Umkleid cabin. It means the Umkleid cabin, the Umkleid cabinan, the Umkleid cabin, the Umkleid cabinan. It means changing room. V, das Vitamin, the vitamin, das Vitamin, the vitamin. V, their wine, the wine, their wine, the wine, their wine, the wine. X, das Saxophon, the saxophones, das Saxophon, the saxophones. Epsilon, das yoga, and in plural we cannot convert yoga in plural. So yoga is like in one form always. So we cannot convert like the yoga. That is totally wrong. So we can only say das yoga. Set, the swivel, the swivel, the swivel, the swivel. So yeah, so we cover all A to Z plus 6 alphabet. Thanks for the watching video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.